I did the skills up and
You know what they're calling me these days? Lori Harvey.
Lori Harvey.
Oh no, that is not good.
Lori Harvey.
But she's so pretty.
Yeah, she's pretty, but she's a hoe.
She's not a hoe.
She is a hoe.
She just dates known people.
Okay, I guess.
You know what? Let's move on.
Yeah, no, Lori Harvey in Kala the whole day. In Karo like you go John Brandt because you're not gonna call me Lori Harvey.
But they're not saying I'm a hoe.
But what are they insinuating? Oh no, that is not good.
Lori Harvey.
But she's so pretty.
Yeah, she's pretty, but she's a hoe.
She's not a hoe.
She is a hoe.
Sima, yo, ngeke, girl. No, guys. Usima alright, Buffett. She is doing too much now. Uthi lona, she's a what? Hey, I Sima, guys, no. Uthi ke lona, ubani obize uyanda ngolori. Hayi bandla, abo women empowerment benu. Hayi shame. Bayamkhuza ke nje bathi nje hayi Sima. Guys, abantu bakhathele ukhuzana noSima bosima abachabe dilo suthi hle. Kusobala ukuthi akasabe next, guys. Sima speaks her mind effortlessly. This is not fun. You can't be calling another woman yabo. Look who's talking. Wesima. Guys, abantu bayamkhuza and I hope ulalele cause wow. Athi lo impilo yami ifana neheadline kaSima ayihlangani. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Hayi bo Sima siyakukhuza sithi hayi bo bize ingane ngeho. Who's calling Yanda Lori? Why Mara? Hey, Kusyam Asas, yo let Sima just say anything and she's too comfortable band. Lona velo ateka ulori, what you probably not gonna see this. Ay bwagana skatu lori, guys. Sima zo su yiwa. Awa mara Sima, guys, abantu ba busy bayamkhuza ukuthi hayi bo, yey kabo. Sima is just jealous. Too obvious and she thinks her opinion matters most. Yo, ay kisan. Purple color women calling each other ho. Sima, hi bo. Bayamkhuza nkosi yami. Kante, doesn't she ever learn or at least think before saying such things on a public platform? Hey, Bafethu asaz ngempela. Mara Sima, do you think before you speak, Mama, it's disrespectful to call that lady a whore? Hey, man, Mama, come on. Hey, Sima, I don't know what to say to you. Guys, I'll see you on my next video.